I'm Anil Kumar, and in this video we will learn technique to solve equations with variables on both the sides. List operations you would use to isolate the variable, solve and verify each equation. So we'll begin with this equation 3x minus 9 equals to x plus 5. We have variable on both the sides. In this situation, what should we do? First step listed here is isolate variable. That is normally the first step to be done. So we need to isolate variable, right? That really means you need to group them together. So you group them together. How do you do that? So we have variables on left side and in right side. If I take away x from both the sides, then we can group them on the left side. So the step involved will be, we will do minus x on both sides. Right, so that is the operation which we need to do. In that case, we'll isolate the variable. The next step should be, we need to take the constants on the other sides, right? So that is the first step. Next step will be to take the constants. Constant will be minus 9 on the left side. So we have to do reverse operation to do it, correct? Then we need to do reverse operations or inverse operations, right? So we'll do inverse operations. To solve for variable, right? Solve for x, you can say, right? So that is the second step which we are going to do, right? So these are the two steps involved when you have variables on both the sides. Let us see how to do them, right? So we have the equation 3x minus 9. Let me write this as 3x minus 9 equal to, we have x plus 5. So in the first step, we'll group x together on the left side. So we should take away x from both the sides. So that will get rid of x from the right side, right? So when you solve for this, you get 3x minus x as 2x. We have 2x minus 9 equal to 5, right? X minus x is 0. So we have now equation with variable on left side. Now to find the variable or to isolate the variable, I have to get rid of 9. So the next step should be add 9 on both sides, right? So we have 2x minus 9 equals to 5. To get rid of 9, minus 9, we should add 9 on both the sides, correct? So when you add 9 on both the sides, you get 2x equals to 5 plus 9 as 14. To solve for the equation, we should not divide by 2, right? So 2x equals to 14. So we are doing inverse operations, right? So we are doing inverse operation. So first inverse operation we did was, we added 9 to get rid of minus 9. Now it is times 2, so we'll divide by 2. That is inverse of multiplication. To get the solution of the equation, which is x equals to 14 divided by 2, which is 7. So these are the steps involved to solve an equation. Now once you solve an equation, after that you should verify each equation. So you should, that means check solution. Checking solution really means that substitute the value which you have solved for on left side and right side and see if it is exactly the same or not, right? So we will solve and find what is left side equals to and what is right side equals to, correct? So on the left side we have 3x minus 9 where x is 7. So we'll do 3 times 7 minus 9. 3 times 7 is 21, and when you take away 9 from 21, you get 12. So get 12 on the left side. On the right side, we have x plus 5. X is 7. 7 plus 5 is 12. Since both are same, we say left side is equal to right side, and therefore we have the correct solution, right? So I hope with this you learn all the steps which are involved in solving linear equations with variables on both the sides, right? Now here is a question for you to practice. So we'll just change the equation a bit. Let us say 2x plus 4 equals to 3x minus 1, right? So practice by solving this equation. Thank you and all the best.